बाहर वेदर बहुत ही मस्त है एंड इट्स द मोस्ट आइडियल वेदर फॉर अ मोटरसाइकिल राइड। खैर मैं तो अभी जा नहीं सकता, ना ही मम्मी मुझे जाने देगी, तो अभी मैं घर में ही बैठ के बस टाइम लैप्स ले रहा हूँ। एंड द टाइम लैप्स यू जस्ट सॉ वाज कैप्चर्ड बाय मी टुडे अर्ली मॉर्निंग, और वो मैं आज कैप्चर किया था अराउंड 6:30 AM, और मैं कल रात सो ही नहीं पाया था। आई स्लेप्ट वेरी लेट लास्ट नाइट। सो द टाइम नाउ इज अराउंड 4:58 in the evening and I just woke up. So I'm ordering some books from Amazon and Flipkart, although I don't fall in the hardcore reader category, but I love reading the travelogues, the travel documentaries and the travel journals. So I just woke up half an hour ago and मुझे कल रात को सोते सोते 4 बज गए. So I almost lost the track of time last night while reading the ending part of Ajit Harisinghani sir's fabulous pen down thoughts about his ride in a form of a book. And the name of the book is One Life to Ride. तो मेरे बाल काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ चुके हैं इस लॉकडाउन में, and that's the reason I'm wearing this hair band. So it would be great if you spare me of the criticism for my new look, if they are any, and feel free to comment in the comment section below if this new look suits me. And now I'm even planning to grow my beard fully fledged. So I got my tripod back and we are here to do a complete review of my Rida GPS tank bag regardless of my new look. So anyways, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Motorhead Path, and this is Path. So this is the Rida tank bag we've been talking about all these days. So I bought this from Amazon, and in the previous video I have mentioned that this bag costed me around 3,500 rupees, but no, that was the MRP, and I got this bag at around 2,650 rupees. Its capacity is 30 liter and when extended it's 33 liters. So I think it's quite value for money and it's worth it. It's very much efficient on its cost. So it costed me around 2,650 rupees, which is, I think, is very much reasonable. What do we get with this bag? So we get, this is the bag with the Rida logo on the top, and then again on the sides as well. So along with this bag we get straps as well. So I've kept the straps aside and I'll show it to you a few minutes later. On the top you get this small pouch. You get basically you get two small pouches on the top, and yeah, inside this you get a sticker. Oh shit, I kept the stickers inside. Anyways, you get a sticker. So this small pouch is basically for keeping ATM cards, ID cards and all those things you need near your hand while on a trip. And on this second pouch, this is a bit bigger than the first one, and this one has two elastic straps inside it just to keep the mobile inside. So like this is my mobile phone and I can just slip it in through these elastic straps. ऐसे करके आपको डालना है, और ये कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जा रहा है. Let me take off the cover. इसको ऐसे डालना है, and this the plastic covering out here, this one is a touch sensitive. तो ये फोन मेरा काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही बड़ा हो जा रहा है इसमें. खैर I'll still show you somehow. So this is my phone. And you can see I can access it from the top. So ये navigation check करने के लिए easy हो जाता है रोड पे. So let me just take it out. तो देख सकते हैं ये एकदम बिल्कुल चिपक जाता है इसके साथ to become touch sensitive. And on the other sides we get two side pouches as well. In this one you get a rain cover, and the rain cover is of a decent quality, I must say. ये बहुत ही अच्छा quality का है with the Rida logo on top. And on the other side as well you get another pouch. इसमें मैंने अपना sunglass रखा है. And then talking about the main storage portion, the zippers are not YKK yet, they are made of decent material. So inside it you can see I have kept this pouch. In this pouch I keep my action camera, the GoPro accessories. So इसको मैंने डाला इसके अंदर. And yes, these are the straps we get along with it. तो next ride पे मैं जब अपने बाइक में ये बैग माउंट करूंगा तो आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा how to use these straps. तो लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बस ये बैग यूज किया था along with this magnet holdings. I was discussing with Rahul and Rahul said these magnet holdings are not quite useful during long rides. I ride an Enfield और उसमें vibrations बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है. तो क्या होता है, vibrations की वजह से ये magnet slide हो जाते हैं और नीचे हो जाता है. So these straps are very much necessary if you are riding a bike like Enfield or any other bike which has a higher vibration rate. तो खैर मैं ये straps next ride में दिखाऊंगा आपको कैसे लगाते हैं. So when you pull up the top lid, inside the lid you get 4 pockets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first one is very deep and then gradually decreasing in depth of the pockets. So ये धीरे धीरे आपको दिख रहा होगा ये छोटा होगा. ये last part जो है it's made of the same material. The outer portion of the tank bag is made of. तो ये thick कपड़ा का बना हुआ है. So inside the bottommost pocket I keep this डब्बा inside which I keep my SD cards. तो इसमें मैं ये डाल देता हूँ. And talking about the main storage compartment. Inside this I keep this pouch, and inside this pouch I keep the GoPro accessories and my action camera accessories. फिर इसके अंदर मैं ये Gorilla Pod रखता हूँ, and then my lenses. तो ये मैं साइड कर देता हूँ अभी. And now we'll talk about the storage. The main storage of this tank bag is 30 liters and we can increase the size by 3 liters more, that is 33 liters. So how we do that? First of all, let me close the zips. और फिर क्या करना होगा, ये जो आपको पार्ट दिख रहा है इसको बस जिप ओपन करना है. And as you can see, this part extends. So you can very well understand that this part, the height of the bag increases, increasing more 3 liters of its space. This is basically 33 liters now. तो इसका और एक बहुत ही अच्छा क्वालिटी है that you can use as a backpack as well. तो जैसे आप अगर कोई राइड पे गए and if you're carrying this and you don't want to stick it on your tank, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, you can simply zip open this part. तो आप यहाँ से खोल सकते हैं. You can remove this part, तो आप रख सकते हैं साइड में, and then you'll get to see 2 back straps. इसको इसमें hook system है and you can hook it up like this. और इसको आप दूसरे ओर से इसको भी निकाल के आप इसमें लगा सकते हैं like this. So it becomes a backpack. So these are the main reasons I opted for this tank bag on top of those of fancy tank bags like the Rhinox, Viterra and Guardian Gear types are available in the market. So ये टैंक बैग मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा एज पर इट्स डिज़ाइन और इट लुक्स क्वाइट डिसेंट. बहुत ही सोबर लुकिंग है ये एंड इट्स स्टैंडर्ड ब्लैक. सो ऑन टॉप ऑफ ऑल दोज फैक्टर्स वी गेट रिफ्लेक्टिव पाइपिंग्स ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द टैंक बैग. सो आप अगर रात को राइड करते हैं बाइक तो इसका विजिबिलिटी बढ़ जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सिल्वर और रिफ्लेक्टिव पाइपिंग्स. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिसेंट है. इट लुक्स स्मार्ट, इट लुक्स स्लीक, बहुत ज़्यादा स्टैंडर्ड दिखता है विद अलॉन्ग विद दिस बैक स्ट्रैप्स. इट्स रियली वैल्यू फॉर मनी थिंग. So this is how the tank bag looks when you carry it as a backpack. और ये tank bag काफ़ी spacious है. You can easily take this for a 2 or 3 days vacation trip with 3 to 4 sets of pants and shirts. तो इसका जो material है, the outer material is itself is made up of a water repellent material and you get an external rain cover as well. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा tank bag है according to me, and I always keep on telling you guys that everyone has their own individual tastes and preferences when it comes to choosing products like these. So according to me, it's a very nice. Or as I'm a motor vlogger, I need to carry things which I can grab at the same time while riding and motor vlogging. तो मैंने ये टैंक बैग इसीलिए लिया and it's very spacious and इसमें मैं अपने सारी चीज़ें डाल सकता हूँ जो मैं यूज़ कर पाऊँ while riding and even while vlogging. तो हाँ, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है मेरे लिए. So if you guys have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay cool, stay raw, ride hard, ride safe and keep your parents happy. Ciao.